Hello everyone. Thanks for coming to this talk. Today, I will present our method titled, A Transformer-Based Solution in Answer Grounding. Our team, consisting of Huang Yang, Zhang Kang, and Yu Yi, represents Mangit in this competition. We will outline our competition solution across 4 aspects: task model, training method, and post-processing. To begin, let me introduce the task objective of this competition. Given an image and a corresponding question, the goal is to identify the specific region within the image that corresponds to the answer to that question. This task combines image segmentation with visual question answering, VQA. The VizWiz dataset provides us with 4 data components: visual images, specific questions related to the images, mask segmentation maps, and answers to the questions. In the training set, all 4 components are provided, but in the test set, only the first 2 are given. Drawing inspiration from the champion solution of the previous edition, we have chosen Blip as our base model. Blip has undergone pre-training on a large-scale dataset, which has endowed it with strong generalization capabilities. Our pre-trained model is achieved by leveraging Blip pre-training on the VQA-V2 dataset. A key reason for selecting the Blip VQA model is its ability to incorporate answer information during training, thus guiding the model in identifying segmentation regions. We have introduced a segmentation module to the original Blip VQA model, primarily comprising a transformer decoder and an upsample module. The transformer decoder is constructed with 3 stacked transformer layers. Since the patch size is 16, we need to execute 4 upsampling steps. For the upsampling layers, a simple combination of bilinear interpolation and conv2d operations is employed to achieve the desired effect. Moving on to the model training section, we not only utilized the official dataset provided, but also incorporated the VQS dataset into our training data. Regarding loss calculation, we employed 2 types of losses for model training: binary cross entropy loss and answer loss. In the data augmentation section, upon scrutinizing the dataset, we noticed that the questions often inquired about the color of objects. Consequently, we refrained from utilizing color-related augmentations, such as color jitter, and instead employed simpler augmentations like is tall-flip, vertical flip, random rotate 90, and affine transformations. During the parameter tuning process, we discovered that the model required higher number of epochs to achieve full convergence. Therefore, we trained each model for 200 epochs. Furthermore, we employed training techniques such as exponential weighted average and pseudo-label to enhance the accuracy of our individual models. Moving on to post-processing, we employed a model ensembling technique using a voting approach. We found that the hard ensemble method, i.e. voting, yielded superior results compared to the soft ensemble approach. Each individual model was trained with different hyperparameters. Utilized 5-fold data, various random seeds, diverse training data, top 3 models from a single training, and different model architectures. Upon analyzing the validation set, we discovered that different problems necessitate the segmentation of distinct regions. For example, questions like, "What color is this?" or "What is it?" require segmenting the entire object. On the other hand, questions that include phrases like, "What title?" "What does it say?" "What is on?" "What is in?" and so on, require segmentation of the text area. We noticed that our model struggled in segmenting textual regions, often incorrectly segmenting the text or segmenting the entire object. To address this issue, we devised a dedicated algorithm tailored to tackle this specific problem. First, we analyzed the types of problems related to segmenting textual regions. For such problems, we initially fed the images into the .NET++ and our CNN models to obtain candidate text regions and their corresponding mask areas. Next, we inputted the question and candidate text regions into the BLIT model to rank the answers and obtain the best matching text. We then selected the mask region corresponding to this text as the final segmented mask area. In addition, we implemented test time augmentation, TTA, and applied the operation of preserving the largest connected component. The above is the technical solution our team. Thank you for